Welcome. Are you ready to create today? I know I am. We're going to create a pumpkin snowman today. And what we will need are 3 white pumpkins. These are called ghost pumpkins because they're white. So we need 3 of these. But if you don't have 3 of them, if you don't have them this large, that's okay. You can use smaller ghost pumpkins and they will work fine too. But we take these white pumpkins and we'll stack them as if we were building a snowman. And then the smallest one will be the head of our snowman. And we'll put it on the top. Now, what we will also need is an old piece of cloth. And this is just an old piece of cloth that I had for a project such as this. And it's going to be the scarf around the neck of our snowman. So I'm going to take a liberty and do it just like that. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I have some little bits of tissue paper, black tissue paper, that have been torn. And with my tape, I'm going to tape eyes and nose and buttons down the front of our snowman. We will give our snowman eyes, a long time ago sometimes they used coal when they built snowmen. And coal was not perfectly round, it wasn't perfectly symmetrical, it was just broken pieces. So we have eyes. We can pretend it's made out of coal, but it's just tissue paper. And I have a smaller piece here, and that will be for a nose. Let's see. What do you think? Now let's give our snowman some buttons down the front. So we'll put a button here. And a button here. And a button here. And 3 buttons, I think, will just about do it for our snowman. Our scarf, our head, our body, our eyes, our nose, and 3 buttons, pretending that he has a coat on and he's bundled and warm for winter. I've enjoyed creating this pumpkin snowman with you. I hope you and your special adult will take some time this week to make a snowman out of pumpkins. I'll see you again next time for more creating.